for me. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, I know. We're awake. Yeah, say hi, guys. Where are the guys? Where are the guys? There they are. There they are. Where are the guys? Here? Ah. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. You're going out with mommy today? Yes, you are? You're going out with mama? Where are we going? Yeah, where are we going today, bubbers? Ang aga natin, be. Ay, nako, hindi. Hello. Medyo malamig pa. But, inon ko na yung heater, guys, pagbaba namin. So, it will be okay later, no? Kasi ang legs, napaka-expose ng legs. Napaka-expose ng legs. Okay lang sa gabi kasi nakaswaddle yan siya. Ng warm na swaddle. Check natin kung may kape pa tayo. Meron pa ba? Meron pang konti. Ay, kaya pa ba? Kailangan namin ng kape. Hindi nga nakapag-grocery shopping kahapon si Daddy. Sana ngayon. So, ito, long life milk. Binili namin before kami umalis. And ito yung gamit namin since dumating kami. Konti na lang din to. Ala, mauubusan si Daddy. Wala na. Kailangan na namin mag-grocery talaga. Wala nang milk para sa mga bata. And pwede nun sana ako mag-online order. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, oh, punta ako mamaya. Sabi niya, punta ako mamayang gabi. Tapusin ko lang to. Dinner na lang kami. Hindi pa siya nakapunta. Dami niya tinapos. Dala-dala ko yung mga low-calorie sweetener from Apurva. So, gamitin ko lang. Ubusin ko lang sila. Wala, meron ka pa ba? Ah, meron pa. Yay!
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. Try so hard to...
Huh? You slept on your bed. Yay! High five! Good job, Alo.
What's the money for your money box?
You deserve money? Yeah. Oh, wow. Say good job, Kuya. Good job, Alo. Yeah, is that your money? Oh my gosh.
I'll get you some money to put in, okay?
Ooh, my gosh, it's gonna be full, Alo.
Ooh.
What?
$1.
A gold one.
That's for you sleeping in your bed last night.
Good job, Alo.
You have more money than Isla.
Yay.
You want more money? Or tonight we sleep in the bed again, okay?
Yeah, are you gonna show Nana all your money? Got many. Ooh, lucky boy. Good job sleeping in your bed. We got milk. Umalis si Daddy saglit kanina. Bumili ng milk at saka kape. Guys, may package ako sa Yes Style. Dumating to while we were on holiday. So, nag-iwan lang sila ng card. Tapos, pumupunta kasi si Sharon dito kapag nasa holiday kami. So, keep ko sa kanya yung card. And Dan picked it up yesterday. Sobrang saglitang pick up ng aking package from Yes Style. I-haul natin habang tulog pa si Ayla. Kasi marami din akong ipipick up na package mamaya sa post office. Yun, hindi napuntahan ni Dan yun kahapon. Hindi kasi same yung post office nito at saka yung post office talaga namin. So, ako na lang pupunta mamaya kasi I'm running some errands mamaya. Pupunta dito si Sharon after ng golf niya. And then, alis kami ni India. Meron lang kaming mga aasikasuhin. Isama ko si Indy para hindi mahirapan si Nana. Kasi siya lang mag-isa, kawawa, wala si Pete. And then, bukas, balik school na si ate. Sana may pajamas. Pajamas. Long sleeve pajamas. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, meron akong 10% off sa Yes Style. Razel 10, that's always in the description box. Tapos yung link din ng Yes Style, guys, is always in the description box. So, kung interesado kayo, magtingin-tingin ng mga skincare or kung ano-ano, especially Korean skincare, nasa Yes Style yan. So, we have some clothes. Ooh. This is my April order. Alright, so I got this one. Mas maganda sana to kung maikli ito para hindi na ako mag-tuck-in. Yun yung hinahanap ko pala, yung mga crop na mga ganito. Kasi kahit cropped siya, hindi siya cropped sa akin. But this color looks really nice. Knitted pieces. Ang daming knitted pieces sa Yes Style. Mga knitted clothing. See, another knitted one. So ito naman, it goes on the neck like that. And I think ito pababang ganyan. Itatry ko pa to. Kapag nagustuhan ko, makikita nyo yung susutin ko yan. This one is, an off-shoulder one. Ay, ang ganda ng tela nito. Off-shoulder, na long sleeve din. Ay, maganda yung tela nito. Ayan, ganyan yung style niya. Ito. I remember this is the cropped one. So, cropped siya. But then again, hindi yan cropped sa akin. Kasi maikli ako eh. So, tama lang yan. Tapos yung jeans ko usually kasi high-waisted. So, hindi naman kita yung ating tiyan. Sa mga not so malamig na panahon. Ay, pajamas! Ay, thank you! Ay, maganda yung tela nito. Ang daming pajamas sa Yes Style. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng pajamas, check out Yes Style. Isabay nyo na sa mga skincare order nyo. Feeling ko kasi kapag Yes Style skincare talaga, kasi mura yung skincare nila doon, yung Korean skincare nila. Pero check nyo na din yung pajamas. Marami silang pang winter pajamas. This one is a cherry print. Yeah, long sleeve. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. But that's okay. Hindi pa naman sobrang lamig. But meron din silang mga makakapal na pajamas doon if you want. You got money! Come on, finish your breakfast. And we got the skincare and lashes. Nagka-cluster lashes na ako, guys. Halos lagi na. So, merong mga lashes din pala sa Yes Style. So, I ordered these. So, mas prefer ko yung mga natural looking lang na lashes. And they have that. So, I ordered that. And then, meron din ito. Ang cute din. Ayan. Ito, nakaset na siya. Yan na yung map talaga na ilalagay mo sa lashes mo. Ito naman, yung kaibahan naman nito, yung band niya sa baba is transparent. Yan. Tapos, ito feeling ko lashes din to kasi may tweezer siyang kasama. So, sabi ko sa inyo lahat ng hanap nyo na sa Yes Style. Pati lashes meron sa Yes Style, guys. May kasama pang tweezer. But this one comes in a box na may palak pang ganyan. That's good for travel, actually. 11mm at saka 12mm. 11 dyan, 12 sa baba. Pero ang ganda ng packaging. Tapos natural looking lang din siya. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. Yan yung gusto ko. And it feels nice. Ililive ko yung mga link ng mga products na to sa baba, ha. And then, I got Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. Parang may nakita akong TikTok video na ang ganda daw nito. Alam mo yung mga video na sabi, what is your holy grail? Like, leave it in the comments. Yung mga ganon. And isa to sa mga, like, kino-comment doon. And timing kasi yung eye serum ko pa, ubus na. Kasi nakalimutan ko nga magdala ng moisturizer nung nasa Bali tayo. So yung ginamit ko moisturizer sa buong mukha ko is yung eye serum ko or yung aking eye cream. So paubos na yon. We will use this Beauty of Joseon. You did sleep on your bed. Well done. I'm so proud of you. And you got money, yes. Another Beauty of Joseon na product. Glow Serum naman to siya. So, see, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga products na mga ganyan, nasa Yes Style yan, guys. Check nyo yung Yes Style. Now, I got 3 of these. Jojoba Golden Organic Oil. I got body lotion. Alam nyo ako, body lotion. Mahilig ako mag-lotion talaga. Naglo-lotion talaga ako. Araw-araw after shower. And then, I got 3 of the Snail 96 Mucin from CosRX. Tapos, 3 aloe vera na ganito. Kasi may napanood na naman ako sa TikTok. Sabi, if you want that glowy skin daw, i-mix mo daw tong aloe vera at saka yung snail parang essence ba to? Yeah. And gawin mo siyang lotion. Oh, so, nag-order ako tigta-3 kasi perfect na meron sa Yes Style. And then, merong freebie. Meron silang freebie lagi. This is the freebie this time. Bigyan natin yan kay ate. Mahilig si ate sa mga ganitong mga abubot. It's a bag charm na parang skewer or barbecue. Tama ba? Yeah. And that's everything from Yes Style. Ililive ko yung link ng mga items sa baba. And then, magbihis na ako, guys. Para pagdating ni Nana, nakabihis na ako. So, yung appointment ko talaga is 12:30. Saglit lang naman yun. Pero may mga errands ako. So, gagawin ko siya before ng appointment ko. So, baka alis na kami dito. Pagdating ni Nana, hindi ko alam kung anong oras darating si Nana. It's 8:43. Ang aga pa, guys. I-put away ko lang tong mga to. Para walang kalat. Kasi, pupunta ako ng post office mamaya. Meron na naman akong mga package na iuuwi sa bahay. Meron akong in-order dun para kay Indy. Alam mo yung mga bagay-bagay na ganyan. May mga in-order kasi ako while nasa bakasyon tayo. Or actually, just before we left as well, may mga in-order ako sa Amazon. And, syempre, alam ko kasing aalis kami. So, pinasend ko siya sa PO Box namin. And, yeah, dagsa na ngayon kasi nagsidatingan na sila. So, ang dami nating i-unbox later.
Yesterday.
Hi! What? Her mouth?
Yeah.
She went up the stool and then she fell in Daddy's office. And then Arlo had a bloody mouth as well yesterday because he fell off his chair.
Oh, both of you.
But you're okay now? You're strong?
You okay? Let's have a look. Oh, that would have hurt, hey? Let's have a look at yours too. Oh, that would have really hurt. Did you cry?
Yeah, she did. Arlo did too. Alright, we are in. We are in. Kakarating lang ni Nana. Alis agad ako, guys. Para matapos natin lahat natin kailangan gawin. So, I'll go to Kmart first. Get Isla's pants. So, Kmart muna tayo. Bili tayo ng pants ni Isla. Yung blue pants for school. Meron sana silang uniform talaga na blue pants. But the last time we checked, malaki yun sa kanya, mahaba. Plus, 1 term na lang siya, guys, na ganong uniform. Kasi next term, reception na siya. Mid-year intake kasi yung ating ate. So, bilhan ko na lang siya ng yung generic lang na blue pants. We're here. Hey. Alright, ganito lang yun naman yung mga hinahanap ko. Like this. Size 4. Kasya ba ito kay ate? Alright, let's get that. May nakuha na ako para kay Arlo. Sobrang cute. Let's look for more blue. Malamig na kasi. Ayan mga blue. Navy blue. Ayan. Alright, marami na ako nakuha para kay ate at saka kay kuya. Now, let's go to your section. Yeah! We need more clothes for you. For you, little girl. Yeah. I got these for Indy, 4. Pang additional lang sa mga meron na siya. And then we'll get you the singlet, Baba. That singlet. Pang layering mo, girl. Layering girl ba? You like her layering girl? Size 6 to 12 months. Bahay na pala ako guys. Kanina pa. Naka-lunch ng mga bata. Nakapag-lunch na kami ni Sharon. Umuwi na lang si Sharon. Tinry ko patulogin sa Inday. Ayaw ni Inday matulog. So sabi ko sa inyo, dagsa yung packages namin eh. Yung iba para kay Daddy. Oh, ito din yung mga na-shopping natin sa Kmart. And yan is for Indy. Pinick up ko din yan sa post office kanina. This is for... Nakapangalan sa akin, I remember this one. In order ko to for Dan. Para sa buhok niya, guys. Napadami yung shopping ko sa Kmart. Sobrang bilis ko lang dun. Siguro hindi ako inabot ng 30 minutes. So, kuha lang ako ng ng mga tingin ko kailanganin ng mga bata. Ang lamig na kasi, guys. Like, malamig na. Huwag kanina mainit sa labas, pero malamig na. Like, ano na talaga? Autumn na talaga. I got these shoes. Tingnan nyo. Machi-machi ang dalawa. Kasi yung panglabas nila ngayon, Crocs at saka slides yung kay Arlo, tsaka tongs para kay Ayla. So, I got this para kapag lumabas, meron silang susuotin na warm. And nagtingin ako ng pangmalaki para machi-machi. Sana kami wala. Baka meron online. Pero machi-machi yung dalawa. Ang cute, diba? $15 each lang yan. And then I got the school pants for Ayla. Ito, $10 each lang. So I got this. So dalawa. Kasi kailangan na niya talaga. Suotin niya to bukas. And tinry na to ni Ayla. Kasi nilabas to ni Sharon kanina eh. Tinignan niya kung ano yung mga binili ko. And bumili din ako ng leggings for Ayla. Mura lang yung leggings. Hindi ko na alam kung magkano. Wala dito yung presyo. But I got navy blue and black. Pagdagdag lang sa mga leggings niya. Kasi yan na nga yung mga outfitan niya. And then I got this for Indy. So pang layering lang ni Inday. Naghanap ako ng yung 3-pack. Wala yung size ni Indy. So ito lang yung nakita kong merong size niya. 6 to 12 months. $5 lang to guys. Itong dalawa. Bongga, diba? And then, ay, Eddie. Hello. Oh, nice. That's Indy's walker. And this is your, for your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And your packages too.
Oh, thank you.
What's that?
Hey, buddy. Where's your pants?
And then, bumili ako ng more onesie for Indy. Ang dagdag niya lang din, 4 yung binili ko eh. So, ito yung mga binibili ko, yung open, yung sa paa, para nakakalabas yung paa niya. Pero pwede mo din siyang i-fold para makover yung paa. That's perfect. Hindi yung like covered na siya ba na para hindi makaka-adjust. Ayaw ko yung ganun. Yan. So, tapos ang gaganda ng print, diba? So, I got it in this print and this print. $9 each lang to. 6 to 12 months din yung size kinuha ko dito. And then I got 2 of the warm one. Parang meron siyang fleece sa loob. Yeah, ganyan yung material niya. So I got the pink and the beige color. $9 lang dito. And then I got this for Arlo. Cute na cute lang ako guys. And I got size 4. So kapag nag-jumper siya ng makapal, masusuot niya pa din. Ang cute, diba? Vest lang. And then I got him this as well. Panglabas, siguro suotin niya to sa weekend. Meron kaming Mother's Day lunch with a fan band, with a whole fan band. And then, I got him this. Pinilhan ko si Arlo nito. Gusto ko sana suotin niya sa bed, guys. Kasi yung mga pajamas na natanggap niya, nung birthday niya, ang dami niyang tanggap na pajamas. Yung pambaba, malalaki guys, mahahaba. Kawawa si Dudong kasi as in, mahahaba talaga siya. Kailangan ko siyang i-fold, but then a-undo din yung folding. So naghahanap ako ng manipis lang sana na pang ano ko sana sa kanya, pangpalit nga dun sa mga mahahaba niyang pajamas. Mga set kasi sila. So kapag binili mo yung size 3 talaga din yung pambaba. Eh, mahahaba kasi yung pambaba nila dito. Hindi mo mapalitan yung pambaba lang kasi nga nakaset. So, ito yung ipapasuot ko sa kanya. I got size 2 of track pants, black, blue, at saka gray. Pero pwede din tong pangalis. $6.50. Akala ko $5. Pero yung $5 pala, yung iba yung baba. Kasi sabi ko, mumurahin lang sana pang tulog. Pero yeah, pwede na yan pang tulog at pang alis. And bumili din ako ng isa pang leggings for Ayla. Pwede din to pang school, medyo makapal to. And flare siya. Size 4 yung mga kinuha ko kay ate para kasya ngayon na. And then I got her singlet as well, pang layering lang. So, kung sobrang lamig talaga, I got her the size 3 to 4. Tanggalin ko na pala ito para malaban na ito lahat. Ay, wala talagang katapusan yung aking labahin. Hindi pa nga tapos yung labahin ko, nasa dryer pa. Last one, I got this. So, plano ko paglagyan to ng aking mga pang lashes. So, yung mga cluster lashes ko kasi ang dami na. Lash glue, lahat ng mga gamit. Ilagay ko lang sa isang lalagyan para isahan na. But this comes in a pack of 2. This is perfect for when you travel as well. Para like paglagyan ng sunscreen, mga lotion. Para kapag tumapon, dito lang siya tatapon sa container niya. Tapos see-through din siya. So, perfect to. Hindi nga lang to perfect para sa amin kasi ang dami naming toiletries. So, hindi magkakasya dito. Pero kapag ikaw lang mag-isa nagta-travel, perfect to. Lagay mo yung mga travel size toiletries mo dyan, kasyang-kasya yan. But, check natin yung singlet. Ayan, perfect to para kay ate. 3 to... Wala, bakit 2 to 3? Ay, mali! Ay, tingnan mo to, oh. 3 to 4 yung nakalagay dito. 2 to 3 yung nandito. Maliit to. Ay, naku naman. Ibabalik ko. Ay, naku naman. Kakasaya talaga sa oras ng mga ganito. Ay, buti na check ko. Now, we have to return this. Yeah, pati dito sa tag, nakalagay 3 to 4. Tapos mamaya i-open natin yan para magamit yun ni Indy. Ayusin ko muna to para malagay ko sa wash. Is ate making you happy? Yeah? Kanina pa siya eh. Ang lakas ng tawa niya. Si Ayla pala. Oh no! Careful! She loves it. Thank you, ate. Go, Alo.
It's your turn to do this. It's your turn to do this. It's your turn to do that. And then Mila, and then Aya.
Go, Kuya.
That's funny.
Slowly, Ayla. Slowly. Gentle.
Audience ever. Guys, I cleaned up everything in my house, and my mom has opened the thing what I bought. Yeah.
So, nakita niya yung box and she said, Mommy, can we open that? And I said, yeah, after we clean up. Isip ko sana mamayang gabi. Alam niyo bang ginawa? Naglinis dito guys, lahat ng blocks niya, nilinis niya. Ang linis na. Wala nang kalat. Kasi tulog si Arlo, tapos si Indy pinapatulog ko dun. Sabang pinapatulog ko, nagpo-fold din ako ng mga clothes. Umakyat siya dun. Sabi niya, Mommy, I cleaned up everything. Even the blocks I cleaned up. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, put away all your drawing. Kasi ang kalat nung sa drawing niya. And hindi lang yung drawing niya yung niligpit niya, pati yung mga blocks. Ang batang to talaga, grabe talaga to. So good, ate. You are such a good ate. So now she's playing with bubble wrap. And we got this.
And you're playing with that.
Yeah. So, ang dami ng ride ni Indy. I ordered this from Amazon. So, nagpunta kami ng baby bunting one time, di ba? Wala kaming nagustuhan sa baby bunting. Yung hinahanap ko din is yung walker siya, pero pwede din siyang lagyan ng base para patungan ng paa. So, ito nakita ko meron sa Amazon. So, pwede mong ilagay yung patungan ng paa. Tapos, kapag ready na talaga sila maglakad-lakad, pwede mong tanggalin yung patungan. Yun yung hinahanap ko sa baby bunting, hindi ko siya nakita. Ito! See, ito lang naman. Ito lang naman yung hinahanap ko. Yung patungan lang, guys. That's very easy.
Be what you need if you're into the finer things. Well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. I wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause
Old one, guys. There's the old one. But this one's the new one.
Yeah. It's gonna be
This
perfect
is
for
the new
Indy.
thing in the house.
Mm-hmm.
It looks so beautiful.
Beautiful.
And we'll kick and spin like that. She'll get so beautiful.
Yeah, she's gonna love that.
And she's gonna love it.
She'll try it when she wakes up. Now back to the kitchen. Ay, wala pa akong tigil, guys. Ay, tapos meron pang nasa dryer na more tupiin pa.
Mommy, you want the bubble wraps?
Ah,
The bubble wrap. I only want the bubble wrap. Thank you, Mom.
I'll keep this bag actually para sa ating mga for donations. Okay, I will have ginisang sayote today. Tapos kumuha ako ng meatballs doon. I-break ko lang to. Ito na yung parang giniling ko. Yeah, asikasuhin natin to habang tulog pa si Indy. Dan did a little bit of grocery shopping. Dito na yun maya-maya lang.
Here's my daddy.
Daddy's gonna be home soon. Ano to? Italian meatballs. So, may mga cheese. Tapos beef to. So, i-break ko lang siya. Dito na si Daddy. Timing kasi kailangan ko ng tomato. It's 5:41. And mabilis lang naman to. Tapos meron na kaming rice from last night. Ang problema kung anong ulam to niya.
Great princess.
Look at Indy's ride.
Yeah, that's good.
We got tomato.
Yeah.
And tomato. So what are you gonna have for dinner?
Pizza.
Did you order?
Nah, it's good. Like I'm chuck in the oven.
Okay. She's really good because I was really busy, right? And she said she wants to open the box. Indy's right. I said, well, you have to clean up your drawing stuff before we do it. She just didn't clean the drawing stuff. She cleaned the house. She
Oh, really?
tied it up. Yeah.
Thank you, princess.
It was really messy before. But she's so good. So she went
Are you
upstairs.
really good, princess?
Yeah. She went upstairs. I was folding the clothes. And she's like, Mommy, I cleaned up everything. And even my shoes. Look at what she did with my shoes, babe.
In the front?
Near the stairs. Look.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's good on that.
Yeah. Just tidied up everything. Such a good girl out there. You
It's
are.
like not.
feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand trip to Candyland. If you get too
So, nandyan na yung ating onion, garlic, tomato, tapos yung meatball natin. Burnay ko lang siya, guys. Nilagyan ko na din siya ng chicken powder at saka pepper. Sunodin natin yung tubig at saka yung ating sayote.
Daddy, we got
Ay, ang sarap ng ating
Daddy, we got these first round.
I think you like my gulay as well. I think you like my veggies.
I'm a little elf on the shelf.
You're fun now. That's what you want now.
You are so cute. Well done, Baba. You be...
Flying now.
Yes, you are now. She loves doing stuff like that. Maybe you're gonna be a fashion designer. Or whatever you want. Ang sarap ng aking ulam. Purya, buyag, purya, buyag. Ito din yung ulam ni Ayla at saka Arlo. Good luck. Anong oras na ito matutulog? Oh, well done. Kakatapos lang kumain, guys. Nauna pa yung shower. Kasi he slept for a long time. You had a long nap again. You ready? You finished? Do you want yogurt or do you want water?
Yogurt.
Or do you want milk?
Yogurt.
Yogurt? Okay.
Yummy.
You're sleeping in your room again, okay? Okay. Good boy. Thank you. Are you a good boy to Mama? Finish? All done? Do you want milk now?
Yes.
Finish your milk. More. Drink more. Yummy? You want more? No more? Okay. Say goodnight to the guys.
Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Be good.
Good.
You a good boy?
Yes.
Are you?
And happy morning.
Me? Happy morning. Happy Tuesday. Alright, ready?
Happy morning, Dad.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Close in my